We place a pull cord here. So it's one of these cowlings. Right, I already done the first bit, so put it through that hole there, hang up and tie the knot. Then we got the spring. Need some oil or grease on there first, which I haven't done yet. Then all you do, slot it into that gap there, and in. Then you just tension it all up. Then what I do, I wrap it around like this, like there. Then I poke it through the O down here, then through. Well, let's put some grease on this spring. Now the spring is all been greased up. Now I put it through the O of the cowling, as you can see. Now as you locate it into this the gap there and the spring to tension it up. Now the spring is located into that gap down there. It's now it is now time to put the spring in here. Then we got the pause goes in these gaps here. Like that. Now we've got this screw goes in here like that, and remember it's the lift and turn that goes to the left to do it up. Now I need to tension it all up now, so that's working. So I've still got all this here, so now I need to turn it, put the rope in there, pull cord, and get the right tension. So that is good. It's actually is right. The tension is right now correct. So I will now just put on more to get the correct length of the pull cord. Right, so I need to do one more turn on here. Because when you let go it hurts. Especially when you're out of freezing cold, it hurts more, doesn't it? If that's correct, please comment down below. So that means just put the pull cord in there and give it a turn.